Assalamu alaikum. I am Mahfouz Jalahi from Team Waves. We are currently working on a project named RapidCal Bus Tracking System, by which passengers of RapidCal are able to know real-time bus location. I have 5 other members with me. They are Abid, Imran, Tanvir, Nafi and Abu. This is our class diagram. There are 4 classes such as location, bus, admin and instruction. Since user doesn't need to register, we don't have any class for user. Use case diagram. Here we have 5 use cases and 1 extend use case. As we have 2 actors such as user and admin, we created 2 interfaces. Let's see the user interface. This is the welcoming screen and here it is home page. As searching bus location is our main use case, so we considered it as the home page. As we can see, the current location of the user is pointing by a red notation. Suppose he is at Giant now. In the search box, user can write his desired bus number. When he enters the bus number, history of search will be shown. Let's assume that 220 is the desired bus. When he clicks on the bus number, location of the nearest bus is appeared and the routes of the bus is highlighted by red color, as well as check arrival time button. If he clicks on the button, a pop-up message contains approximate time is shown. This is the menu button. If user clicks on this menu button, a list is appeared. He may check bus schedule by clicking on here, and if he enters his location, exact location will be suggested. By clicking on the location, it will take to bus schedule screen. If user wants to know how to use this application, he may click on the menu and he may choose the option watch instruction. A page contains video is loaded. If the user would like to go back on the home screen, he has to click on home option here. That's all for the user interface. Let's move on to the admin interface.
Assalamu alaikum, I'm Imran Ahmed. I'm going to describe about the functions of admin interface. An admin can add, delete or modify bus information. To modify these things, the admin has to put the username, then the password, then if everything is valid, he can log in. To add the new bus information, admin has to put the bus number, the routes and all the bus stops and the departure time from all the specific bus stops. So the bus number is T300. I put all the information about the new bus, all the routes and bus stops. Then I have to click add. Then this pop-up message will show that the information is added, and I have to click OK. If the admin wants to update or delete any bus information, he has to click on the manage bus information, and then this screen will come. And if the admin puts the bus number T22, then but the bus number is not valid, so he has to put a valid bus number T300. Okay, after entering the bus number T300, all the information of the specific bus is shown in the screen. So if now I want to edit the location to Pasar Sini, and then if I click update, then the information is updated in the system. To delete all the information of a bus, the admin has to put the bus number and then search, and all this information, if he wants to delete from the system, he has to click delete, and then the message will show you know delete or not, and if you put yes, so okay everyone, that's all from Team Waves. Hope you liked our project. We appreciate your time and effort. Credit goes to Dr. Zahida for helping us to improve our project. Thank you.